世界中の誰よりきっと熱い夢見てたが目覚めて初めて気づくあどい思いに世界中の誰よりきっと果てしないその笑顔ずっと抱きしめていたい季節を越えていつでも
We're welcoming some seriously talented individuals into our GCIT community this fall 2023. The GCIT New Media Studio Introductory Workshop is all about embracing creativity and diving into the digital world. From video production to graphic design and everything in between, this workshop is where it's at. And hold on to your hats. Get ready for a virtual red carpet welcome as we introduce some of our newest additions to the GCIT community. Let's dive in and meet these fantastic individuals.
Hi everyone, my name is Hong. I'm from Vietnam and I'm a new student joining GCIT in fall. Very nice meeting you.
Hi, my name is Leo and I'm a graduate from the Furen University and I've studied about communication art before. I think it's pretty cool because I only seen 2 cameras but it have 6 or 8 angles. So and I want to figure it out how it works because I don't know how it happened.
My name is Millie and I'm from Taiwan. So I quite usually used to standing on this green background since I used to work in the news agency. Yes. So I just like stand here before the host arrive and the director can adjust the keying or something.
Hi, my name is Anne and I'm from Keelung, northern Taiwan, and I also like singing, but I just got COVID-19 last month, so I'm still coughing.
My name is Izzy. You can call me Izzy or Izzy, and I graduated from visual design. So nice to meet you guys.
Hi, my name is Yvonne and I'm just graduates. Yeah, and I'm happy to join the GCIT in this year.
And my name is David and I'm from Taiwan. I'm from south of Taiwan, Kaohsiung. And now I serve my internship in the law firm. I had passed the bar test in Taiwan in 2020. So I need to serve the internship. After this internship, I will get my license.
My name is Benson and I'm a spring student this year as well. So I just entered the school like 4 months before you guys. Yeah, but if you guys have anything about the school that you want to know, you can ask me. I used to study in like psychology and foreign language and literature, but now I'm doing this. So yeah, if you have other backgrounds you want to share with me and just talk about your past, you guys can always contact me. Yeah.
My name is Elizabeth. I came from Indonesia and I joined GCIT last year. So I am a 2022 fall student. Yeah, so it's my 5th year in Taiwan. I used to graduate from Tam Kang University business major. So if you have anything that I can help, you can just feel free to contact me.
So hi guys, I'm Daniel and I'm Elizabeth, maybe the oldest here. Yeah, we are the same we are the classmate and also from 2022 4th semester. So if you guys have any question related to the coursework, internship or anything related to GCIT, you guys can ask me because I am also the part-timer at GCIT.